What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Very exciting day today. We are installing the new steering wheel from SW Custom. You can follow them on Instagram down below. The link is in the description. I'm very excited to put this new steering wheel on, and I am here in Philadelphia at Driven Auto Styling, the best shop in the world. We got the Driven merch, and they're helping me install the wheel, and by helping I mean they're going to do all the work while I watch. That's how it works, right? First step for installing the steering wheel. You have to disconnect the battery. So for the C63S, the battery is in the trunk. Just gotta lift that up. Lift that black plastic liner, and boom, you are in the battery compartment. And I think we're good. We straightened up the steering wheel. You wanna make sure when you park the car that the steering wheel is completely straight as you can get. And then that's when you disconnect the battery so you don't have any power running through the car, because when you disconnect the airbag, you don't want the airbag popping off and killing you. All right, so we got the proper tool for the disconnection of the battery. We're just removing the negative, right?
Just the negative terminal.
Now that the battery is disconnected, we can go on and remove the airbag from the steering wheel. Yeah, so the steering wheel, the one that's currently on, there's two dimples on the side, and you just push kind of like a flathead screwdriver into it, and should pop out the airbag. There we go. Now that the airbag is popped, we can remove it and disconnect it. Could you die from an airbag?
Hell yes.
It'll break your face.
And now the next step is to take the lug off of the actual wheel that's connected to the column. All right, now that we got the airbag removed, we can actually remove the steering wheel off of the column. What'd you say, it was an Allen or what? Torx?
Yeah, that is an Allen bit.
Allen bit, all right.
Yeah, that's an Allen bit. Oh my God, my hair. Oh my God.
Hopefully it's a size that is in stock here.
No Allen.
It's a 10 mil Allen. You just push it in and you loosen it. It's gonna be very tight.
Oh, you want me to hold the wheel, yo?
Okay.
You can even lock it in place, but it's okay. There you go. That's it. Did you tell them we're painting that black yet?
Not yet. There's a brown connector
There it
right
is.
there. Okay, now we have the steering wheel completely off. And next step is to get the silver aluminum trim. Is going to be liquid wrapped black, so it matches the new carbon and alcantara, make it look real nice. It's going to look like an E63 Edition 1 steering wheel. All right, so now that we have the trim removed and the paddles removed from the steering wheel, this is the OG steering wheel. This is the new one. We have the trims removed. We're going to take this to the liquid wrap shop, get these gloss black. They're going to look sick. And yeah, let's make our way to the shop and get these liquid wrapped. All right, so we've dropped off the steering wheel trim and paddles at the shop where it's going to get liquid wrapped gloss black. That's going to be done overnight and should be dry by tomorrow, so we can put the wheel together and put the wheel on tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I just said tomorrow like 5 times.
Tomorrow.
All right, everyone. So we picked up the parts from the shop that did the liquid wrap on the trim of the steering wheel, and we got them right here. Let's check them out. So we have the back plate for the steering wheel, then we have the front plate. We have the little AMG logo, which goes right here. And then we have the paddle shifters, that's the down one. And then we have the up paddle shifter. And then we have the actual frame for the buttons on the steering wheel that just kind of goes in the center. I mean, I think that looks hot. Black with the carbon and the red and the alcantara. A lot better than the chrome trim that was on there before. And you can kind of see remnants of the chrome right there and just see how much better the black looks, in my opinion. So first step is to put the paddle shifters back in. That came out last, so that obviously goes in first when you're putting back the steering wheel. So we're gonna do that now. And then the next step after that, I think, is the buttons, right?
So after that, we're gonna mount the buttons to this trim piece, and then we're gonna lay that in.
Okay.
Correct. All right. So this is the right paddle shifter, right?
Yep, that's up. Yep.
Up. Correct.
You just kind of feed that through the hole in the back. Let's see if I can get this focused.
Okay. Once we got that fed through, we'll put the screw in first, and then we'll got that holding.
Cool. So we got the up paddle shifter in. Now obviously you gotta tighten it down unless you want to have a loose paddle shifter, up to you. Then same process with the down paddle shifter, just feed it in and then just screw it in and tighten it in, and it's good.
Let's set this to the side.
All right, so next step is you want to take the buttons that you took off the actual trim, and we're going to mount those onto the trim and then put that on the steering wheel. Also, one of the most important things, if you're dealing with a lot of small screws and you're not putting it back together right away, make sure you have like a little cup or something to save those, because if you lose one, it's going to be very hard to find them again anywhere, basically. And that's what the final product should look like. I think it looks really good. Buttons click.
Click, everything's solid. All right. So these actually guide through these channels here. Make sure you get them all the way in.
These little channels.
Next is going to be this. This you want to guide into the
Actual trim itself.
actual trim piece itself. Correct.
Obviously, you want to connect that before you.
You
put
want
in
to
the
connect
trim.
that before you actually throw this in. And now these can also get tucked in right down here. And before you lay it on, just make sure everything is, you know, kind of right where it's supposed to be, nice and flush. And we're gonna go ahead and stick this in. The bottom piece has a little slit here that's gonna go in between the steering wheel. So you wanna make sure you get that right. It's just going to be a tight fit, so you wanna use a little bit of pressure, especially towards the edges here. Perfect. Give it a good visual inspection. Make sure everything's nice and flush. It looks good. Perfect. Let's screw it in.
So the one thing that we just ran into was the front piece actually mounts from the
At the
back.
back.
Yeah. So if you get confused on that, like we did. grand reveal. Looks so much better with the black.
Yeah.
And then the final piece,
The oh my god.
the oh my god piece.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Alright, so the wheel is finally finished with the black trim installed. Carbon fiber alcantara, it is all done. Ready to put it into the car. Let's go do that now. Any good tips for putting the steering wheel back on?
Don't fuck it up.
Good tip.
So yeah, you want to make sure that a few tips. Yeah, the brown connector, you want to make sure you run it through the left side. Obviously, it kind of naturally wants to fall there anyway. You want to make sure you push it all the way through. Don't throw the steering wheel on yet. You want to pull the cable through and plug it in first. Once that's plugged in, you want to make sure this is nice and lined up. There is little markings on the spindle here. So if you left your steering wheel straight, you kind of want to just throw it on straight, and you'll find that part where it wants to slide in. See that?
So it just slid right in.
It just slid right in. Okay, want to make sure that's good. We'll bolt the steering wheel down, plug in the airbag, and click it in. Okay. So the airbag is just going to click in. There's these little pins right here that'll go into here, and likewise on the other side. So you just want to make sure you line that up straight. Kind of feel that it's right above those grooves, and
Boom.
click it in.
How's it looking there?
Looks amazing. Wow, that carbon really matches the carbon on the interior really well. The red stitching as well. Wow, this is amazing.
Alright guys, so the steering wheel install is finally finished. We hooked up the battery. I didn't show that on camera because that's pretty obvious how to do that. I remember I'm here at Driven Auto Styling. Got the steering wheel installed. Thank you and big shout out to them for installing the steering wheel for me. And shout out to SW Custom. Remember, link is in the description of the video. You can follow them on Instagram. Buy a steering wheel. If you need a custom steering wheel, buy a steering wheel from them. I have a discount code as well that you can use to get a good discount on a custom steering wheel for your car. But that wraps up the install video. That wraps up the reveal for the steering wheel. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next video. And don't forget to hit the bell, ring the bell, hit the like button, and hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.